Get ready with me to go to the market. So this morning I have to bring out everything I want to wear. After that, shower and I'm here to wear. Spray my perfume, clean my face with my facial toner, rub my cream from Freshly Luxury Beauty Zone. Also apply my face cream from Freshly Luxury Beauty Zone. Apply my sunscreen, Gravia, and after that I have to spray my perfumes. I have to also spray my oil perfumes and spray every other perfume that you guys know. Oil my hair. After that, I have to wear my wig, wear my wristwatch, wear my ring, put on my necklace, rub my pink lips balm, and then it's time to arrange my bag. Okay. When I was about to go, I noticed that it was about raining, so instead of leaving my clothes outside, it's better for me to bring them in. So this is me bringing them in. Decided to spray them in the corridor so that no matter how the rain is falling, it is not going to touch them. The remaining one, I kept them one side, moved back inside to put back my ATM and every other stuff. It is time to head out. Right now, we are in the market buying all the buyables that we need to buy. Got fish, vegetables, kanda, and every other stuff that is good for the soup that we want to make. After that, we have to grind our egusi because there is no light and I don't want a situation whereby my blender would just be useless on it. Got my pepper as well and every other stuff that I need. Paid my egusi woman and pay everybody that I needed to pay. After that, package it. After packaging it, I collected my change from the lady as well. And then I saw these beautiful slippers and I decided to try some. I got like two or three of that slippers. After that, I came back to the house.
So now it is time to cook. Let's cook together.
Already.